Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Rocio. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make this halter top with a pineapple decal. Let me show you a close-up. This is the beginning, the pineapple, the center, the edging, the cord, this top fits small to medium size. If you want to follow along, these are the materials you're going to need: scissors, tapestry needle, markers optional, the yarn of your choice, and a crochet hook. You can use any yarn of your choice, but for the top to be small to medium, the yarn you use needs to be similar in size. I am also going to show you how to adjust it to a smaller size and to a thicker yarn. Remember, everybody has a different tension, so even if you use the same thread as I am, your project may end up slightly different than mine. Before I proceed to the step-by-step, I'm going to show you how to adjust it to a different size. This top fits small to medium size. If you want to make it in a different size, you are going to make the adjustments right here at the pineapple. I have 12 stitches here. If you want to make a larger size, you can make 14 stitches for the pineapple. If you want to make a smaller size, you can make 10 stitches right here. See, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. For a smaller size, I will make only 10. Every time you remove 2 stitches, you have 2 less rows right here. See, if I remove 2 stitches, my pineapple is going to be 2 rows smaller. I made this sample in a different yarn to show you how I make the adjustments. For this yellow one, I used 3 light. The recommended hook size is 4.5 millimeters. I used 4.25 millimeters. If you notice, it is the same size as the pink one, but for this one I only made 10 stitches right here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Everything is the same except for the stitches here at the base of the pineapple. So you are either going to increase or decrease stitches. For every 2 stitches, you are going to have 2 less rows. I have 10 rows right here, and I have 12 rows right here. And because it is a thicker yarn, the size is the same. So if you want a smaller size, you are going to decrease 2 by 2. Why 2 by 2? Because when I started row 1 right here at the beginning, I'm on the right side. And I also want this row to be on the right side. If you decide to add odd numbers, like 11, 9, instead of going 10, 12, 14, then you're going to start this row on the wrong side. So whatever numbers you use, I recommend using even numbers. So this row is on the right side. Other than that, all the stitches are going to be the same. You can use any thread of your choice, but for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to be using superfine 1 with a 3.25 millimeter hook to make it small to medium size. I'm going to begin with a slip knot. Chain 37. To begin row 1, I'm going to make a double crochet on the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here. I'm going to need a total of 34 stitches, including my beginning chains. So it's my chain plus 33 double crochets. 2, 3, 4. Go ahead, continue. I need a total of 34 double crochets, including the beginning chains, and see you at the end of the row. I am here at the end of row 1. I have a total of 34 stitches. It measures approximately 5.5 inches. To begin row 2, I'm going to chain 3, turn my work, double crochet in the next space. I'm going to make an extended double crochet. On row 1, I made regular double crochets. From now on, I'm going to make extended double crochets. Chain 3, skip 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet in the next space. 1, 2. Chain 2, 2 double crochets in the same space. 1, 2. Chain 3. Skip 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet in the next space. Extended double crochet, remember. Chain 1, double crochet in the next space. They're all going to be extended. Chain 1, double crochet in the next space. Chain 1, double crochet in the next space. This is the base of the pineapple. Chain 1, double crochet in the next space. Chain 1, I need a total of 12 double crochets. I have 2, 4, 6. We need a total of 12. Chain 1, double crochet in the next space. Chain 1, double crochet in the next space. Chain 1. Notice when I make my double crochet, I insert my hook in those 2 strands. Chain 1, double crochet in the next space. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Chain 1, double crochet in the next space. 12. I have 12 double crochets with 1 chain in between each one. Chain 3. Skip 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet in the next space. I am making a cluster. I have 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets in the same space. 1, 2, chain 3, skip 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet in the next space. Double crochet in the chain space right here. Let me count my stitches. I have my beginning chains plus 1 double crochet, 3 chains, a cluster, 3 chains, 12 double crochets with 1 chain in between, 3 chains, a cluster, 3 chains, 2 double crochets. This is the end of row 2. To begin row 3, I'm going to chain 3, turn my work, double crochet in the next space. Chain 3. a cluster inside the chain 2 space, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 2 chains, 2 double crochets in the same space. Three chains, double crochet in the next chain 1 space right here. Extend it. Chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 1 space, and I'm going to repeat that until I reach the last chain 1 space. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, continue and see you at the end. I completed a total of 11 double crochets with 1 chain in between. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, a cluster on the chain 2 space, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 2 chains, 2 double crochets in the same space, 1, 2, 3 chains, double crochet in the next double crochet, double crochet in the chain space. I'm going to count the stitches. I started with chain 3 and double crochet, 3 chains, a cluster, 3 chains, 11 double crochets with 1 chain in between, 3 chains, a cluster, 3 chains, 2 double crochets. This is the end of row 3. To begin row 4, I'm going to chain 3, turn my work, double crochet in the next space. Chain 3, a cluster inside the chain 2 space, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 2 chains, 2 double crochet in the same space, 1, 2, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet in the next chain 1 space, right here. Chain 6, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. This is the beginning of the pineapple. Chain 6, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 6, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. I'm going to continue repeating 6 chains, single crochet, 6 chains, single crochet until I reach the last chain 1 space. Go ahead, continue and see you at the end. I completed 9 chain 6 and 10 single crochets. Now chain 4, a cluster inside the chain 2 space, 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 double crochets in the same space. Three chains, a double crochet on the next double crochet, double crochet in the last chain. I completed row 4. Let me count my stitches. I have the beginning chains and a double crochet, 3 chains, a cluster, 4 chains, 9 chain sixes, and 10 single crochets, 4 chains a cluster, 3 chains and 2 double crochets. This is the end of row 4. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.